I am Ros and you've just been watching me have my healthy heart check. So I've gone through all the tests now and it was really professionally done. In fact, I really enjoyed that session, so thank you, Mifanwi. And at the end of that, I'm a 47-year-old woman and I've actually got a heart age of 51. So initially, a little bit, goodness, I've got a heart that's got an age that's older than my actual age. But there are certain things in that healthy heart check that I've really learned from. So one of the things that I didn't score so well on was my physical activity levels. I also had a slightly elevated blood pressure reading. So the two can be connected. So initial thoughts, I've only just had the test, are that I think I'm going to look at how I might change my weekly patterns in terms of trying to bring in a little bit more physical activity into my life.